But what if you just need to send your location to somebody just on a one-shot deal? You can do that when you send a message. You can add your location to the message. And I want to show you that both on the iPhone's iMessage, on WhatsApp, and on Google Messages. First, the iPhone. So let's say that I need to send a message, and that's this bubble right here, messages, and I'm a new message, and I'll just pick somebody, and then I can start to write a message, come get me, help. And then you just tap the little plus that's next to the new message, and here are all the things you can add to a message. Location is one of them. When I send that message, the person receiving it will see exactly where I am, and they would have no problem navigating to come to get me. So that's iPhone iMessages. Next, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is what people use a lot all around the world these days, so I think it's good to know how it works. WhatsApp. And here I am in my message stream with Jim. Now he does already know where I am, but just I want to double, come get me. I type the message, come get me. And on this one, it's just the paperclip icon and then location. GPS is disabled. Now here is one thing I didn't mention. You must have location services turned on your phone for any of this to work. Now location services does use some battery, but I think it's so important. I always leave my location services on so that things like this can work. So WhatsApp and location services is on. Now it has sent that. And then the third one is just Google Messages, which is this blue bubble. I've already started, come pick me up. And now this one doesn't have a plus or a paper clip, but I see a little arrow over here. And now there's a plus, and now there's the location. So anytime you want to tell somebody your location, easily done with messages.